Which one?
This car.
Right.
Oh, them.
Needs to come up here.
Do this one.
They're all going.
They're so scared.
Get nothing, bird.
Oh, shit,
Oh,
got it.
get it back. Get it back. Oh, it's dead meat.
This one.
It's getting cocky.
He's getting cocky. Why is he getting so cocky?
So cocky.
He's getting well cocky.
It's getting so close to me. I don't like it. What did it do?
Just like attacking it.
One before.
Look at
Obviously getting well pissed off.
Shame they can't jump.
They probably can.
I don't think they can.
Why don't they fly up and get it?
They could all fly up and attack me and get the bread. Like all of the bread.
Don't get cocky, mate. Hey? Cocky.
It's a fucking bird. How can he get cocky?
Oh, it can.
Look at it though. Look at it like it's trying to
Fucking hell, why is that one like getting his wings
They ain't
out?
very good at fucking catching, are they? Look. Oh, look.
Good one.
Can't even catch.
They're going crazy.
Oh, see if it can. No. Same. They're so shit.
So shit. Oh no, there's millions coming.
So many.
I'm sick of filming it.